This is Screencast number 2, and we are going to be calculating volume today. We're going to be calculating the volume for a rectangular prism first, and then a triangular prism second. So we do have a formula that we do have to remember for volume, and we're going to write that formula at the top of our page. So in order to find volume, it is going to equal the area of the base of your figure times the height of your prism. So a few days ago we talked about what the bases were of rectangular prisms and triangular prisms, and the name kind of gives it a hint. So if we have a rectangular prism, so right here on the left, so the base of a rectangular prism is going to be a rectangle. So if we want to find the base of a rectangle, we're going to do length times width. So now we're going to pick, let's pick the bottom of this rectangle, and we're going to call this our base. So we want to find the area of our base. So our base, we're going to do 10 times 7. So then we have 10 times 7. So our base is going to equal 70 inches squared. So looking back at the formula, we have to take, so volume equals, we have to take our base. So the area of our base was 10 times 7, which was 70 inches squared. And we're going to have to take 70 inches squared, and we're going to have to multiply it by our height. So the height of your prism is going to be how tall the prism is standing. So if we look right here, it is 5 inches tall. So 70 times 5 inches is going to give us our volume. So if we type in our calculators, 70 times 5, we're going to get 350 inches cubed. So when we're finding volume, we have cubic units. So volume is 350 inches cubed. Okay, next one. So again, we have another rectangular prism. So I'm going to find the area of this base first. So over on the side, to find the area of the rectangle, we're going to do 1.1 times 1.5. 1.1 times 1.5, we get 1.65. And that will be millimeters squared. So please write your units down. So now we're going to find volume. So volume is your base, so the area of the base, which was 1.65. I'm just going to write my units at the end because it's pretty hard to write on here. So 1.65 millimeters squared. And then we have to multiply it, it's my multiplication symbol, by the height of this prism. So how tall this prism is, so look on this side, it's 2.6 millimeters. So times 2.6, then we get our volume equals, so 1 and 65 hundredths times 2 and 6 tenths, we get a total of 4 and 29 hundredths, and then that's going to be millimeters cubed. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here. The second video is going to be on triangular prisms.